In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to set up your Coursebay account. So if you've registered on Coursebay and you have been approved, the next step is to set up your account before you go on to start hosting your course. If you don't know what Coursebay is an online course platform that allows you host your online course for free. There is no monthly or yearly subscription fee, no transaction fees, right? Until you make your first $150. Once you make your first $150, they'll start charging you 7.5%. In the previous video, I have explained how you can register on the platform and how you can make sure that you don't get a cost after you have made your first $150 on the platform. All right, so now you have your account, now you've been approved. Let's move on to how you can set up your Coursebay account. Then we can now move on to hosting your course on the platform because you need to get everything right. All right, so let's move on.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that little bell button so that you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. And don't forget to always like my video, and I'll see you.
Now I believe that you must have registered. The next thing is to log into the account that you have created. Okay, so now we are logged in. We're logged in, guys. So the next thing we need to do now is to go to this top here where we have this icon. All right, I will go to dashboard. Okay, so now we're on dashboard. You have to do this on your laptop, please, because Coursebay is more desktop friendly, computer friendly than on phone. So we could register on phone very easy, but if you want to experience a better user experience, right, you have to use your desktop or your laptop or your PC. Okay, so now we're on dashboard. Scroll down and go to settings. Okay, so now we're on settings. This is where you're going to set up your payment method and other things. But before we get to payment method so that you can receive money after people buy your course, I want us to set up our profile first. So now we're on profile. That is the first thing selected here. You can see that you need a banner. You need to upload a cover photo. And right here, you can see the requirement and the specification of the cover photo that you can use, right? So for profile photo, we need a 200 by 200 pixels. For cover photo, we need a 700 by 430 pixels. Don't be afraid, we can achieve this using a platform called Canva, canva.co. Alright, so if you don't have an account with Canva, just go and register on Canva, or you can give a designer to do it for you. You do not have to necessarily do it yourself. So this is a Canva free account, alright, and we want to start with the cover photo, and we need 700 by 430 pixels. So all you have to do is to click on the create a design, all right, and then you go to the bottom and click on custom size, and we put 700 by what again? 430. So say 700 by 430, and we'll create design. So this is what we need for our cover photo. So the cover photo usually should be something that projects your brand, something that just talk about your brand a little bit, not really something that much. Let's see, 700 by 430. Okay, cool. We got it. So this is what 700 by 430 is. So we can just search for business. Let's see, business cover. Okay, so this is business cover. I searched for business cover, and this is what I got. So you can look through all of these. So you can do business cover, you can do YouTube covers, you can search to just see the one that works for you. All right, but I think I like this simple one, so I'll just select this simple one and just put in my brand there and say digital creator chick. I'll more like just customize it to fit my brand, right? So we'll just reduce it a little bit. What am I going to put here? Okay, data creator chick. What does data creator chick do? Guys, don't mind me, don't mind me. Let's change the photo first. Okay. What photo will I use now? What photo will I use now? What photo will I use? I'll just look for a photo real quick that I can just use. Let's see. This looks Let's see if this is going to fit it. I may not even remove this one that came with it, right? I can just, let's see what we do with this. This is not looking fine. But anyways, I'll take time to, okay, I think this looks good. Data creator check. This is not looking bad. And then we have, I don't want you here. Okay. Okay, I think this is not looking bad. So we can say monetization, or I think this is cool. Then I want to change the color. Just select all of this, go here. I want to change the color of this to my brand colors. Let's see. It's not fine. It's not bad, but I think a white will look better on it. Let's see. Yeah, I think white looks better. Does it? Okay, not bad. I may work on this later, but yeah, so basically, so I want to change the color of that dash. Select the dash, come here, change the color. So there we go. So I'll just need to just download this, download as PNG, and I'll just download this to my computer. So this is a free account, as you can see. I am not on Pro, right? So you can do this even on the free Canva account. You don't need to subscribe. So my picture is downloading, and I'll go back to Coursebay and I'll click on upload cover photo, and you see here, so I'll just upload that. So this is how it looks after you design. That is why you want to make sure that it's not spread across broad, across. Sorry guys, so that's why you need to make sure that it's not too spread. So you can see the details, the most important details that I want to show actually showing here. Alright, the next is profile picture. Profile picture, if you're a personal brand, just put in your photo there. There should be 200 by 200. Let's see if my photo should work. Upload. I think my photo should work. I have a photo that is, so just putting your photo in there. Let me search for my photo. Where is that thing? Where's that place where I have my photos? I can't find it. I can't find. Okay, here. Okay, let's use this one. That should work. Okay, that works. Now we move on to here. So this is where you set your stuff, your name, your username. Your username is already set from the very beginning. So here you can change your name. Maybe here you can now change it to your brand name or something. Digital creator chick. Then here, Lucky Elohor. Yes. Okay. You can put in your phone number if you want, your business line, then your occupation as your title that you call yourself. I will just say monetization queen. Just leave it at that. And then your bio. So your bio is basically what you do. For now, just say monetization queen, and I'll leave that as it is. But I want you to work on your bio the same way you work on your Instagram bio, what your business is about, and what people should expect from you, right? So I'll think of something on here later. So I'll think of something here later. Okay, so here I say display. Oh, display name as publicly. So these are different names that is asking me to display, but I don't like it. Okay, let's wait. I think this is based on the previous settings. You can upload your signature here. Wow. So let's update this profile first, and hopefully the display name changes based on what I just set right now. Okay, I'm just going to refresh this page. Let's see. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's load that's loaded. Display name. Okay, it has added a new one. You see that, guys? So I will not choose digital creator chick. So once you save, you refresh, it will add a new name just updated. So I'm going to choose digital creator chick. That's the display name I want as my business name. All right. Then if you have a signature, you can add that here. I don't have that, so I don't think I'll be adding that. And this is the size of the signature they need, 700 by 430. I don't think that's really important anyway. So it has been saved. You can see success profile updated. So your profile is up to date. If you want to change your password, you can change it here. Let's go to social profile. Social profile is all your social media profile that you want connected to your brand here. And here you can see I've already updated mine, facebook.com/. I didn't update this. Wow, I think I thought I did. Okay. They are here. LinkedIn website. I thought I did. Oh, I did it. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's refresh this and see if it's going to update because I've done this before. Okay, I think it's updated now. All right, cool. So the first one didn't update. Wow. So you can see here, let's go through our profile again. So these are our profiles that things we said. This is the display name. Let's check our social profile. So these are social profiles. So for me, this is my Facebook business page, data creator check one. You have to create a username for your Facebook business page. This is my Twitter, this is my LinkedIn, and this is my okay, Instagram is not here. Okay, so this is my website, not really my website, like where I want people to go to when they want to find more about me. If you're wondering how I got my business page username, I set it up on Facebook, so I'll just quickly show you that real quick how you can set yours up. So once you're on Facebook, right, the first thing you want to do is to like go to the business page. So this is where you switch profiles, right? You can switch profile here. So I'm just going to select the business, which is the digital creator chick. Okay. So once you select that, the next thing you want to do is to go back here to this drop down, go to settings. You go to settings, and it's going to open up settings for you that will allow you select your username. So you can see this is the name of my brand, this is the username. So you can search for available usernames that you can use here. Unlike Instagram, Facebook does not allow underscores. So you can only use letters and numbers, no specific characters. All right, so once you have that, that's going to be the username that you put here for your Facebook page, right? So that's it. The next thing is the withdrawal. How do you get paid? So you come here to withdraw. We are still on settings. You come here to withdraw. That's how we get paid. So you need to set up your bank details. So for now, the platform does not verify your bank details. So you want to make sure you're putting in the right thing. Make sure that you're putting in the right thing, right? So I'm just going to come here, click on bank transfer. So the minimum withdrawal is 18 naira. That's the minimum thing you can withdraw. So there are a bunch of details here. And if you're in Nigeria, you might be wondering what are all of these things. So fill in the ones that applies to you. If you have all of these details, put it here. Or if you don't have it, fill in the ones that apply to you. So for example, we are going to start with the account name, digital creator chief. So I'm putting my business name, and I'm not going to put in the account number. Let me quickly bring that up from here. Digital creator chick enterprise. You can always change your account number here, so that's fine. I just put in the account number 46002046002058. I'm just making sure it is correct. I have to come back to check this after this video. 4600205813. So for Nigerians, the next thing I need to put is the bank name for Nigerians, right? VF. But if you have a bank that has all of these details, please by all means fill that in, fill the one that applies to you and leave the rest. Just save the it has been saved, and your profile is all set. Your profile is all set. So other things I would like to show you here on the platform is if you come here, you can see your profile, you can see enrolled courses. Maybe you enrolled in any course on the platform. This is where you're going to see them. So if you pay for any course that is hosted here, you're going to see them here. Wish list, if you saved any course, this one is for you to see. Review, so reviews, any reviews on your course, you're going to see them here. My quiz attempt, if you have any quiz, order history, question and answer. This one is where you can manage comments on your course and other things. I think when we create a course, it's going to make more sense. So here you can see the courses that you've created. If you want to make any announcements or stuff, you can see them. You can make them here for your students to see. withdrawals. So this is where you create quiz for your own students. So basically, at the top, all of these ones are your all of these feature at the top are for you as a student on the platform. Why the ones here at the bottom are for you as the instructor on the platform. So can you see that? So analytics, assignment to give people, quiz, and all of those stuff. Announcement, my courses. So withdrawals is what you've withdrawn from the platform, right? But right now, we don't have any money here, so we cannot withdraw anything, right? So we don't have any money to withdraw. So right now. So that's how to set up your profile basically. So you set up your profile, you're ready to go. The next thing is to just hit this button as they create a new course. And that is what I'm going to be doing in the next video where I will show you how to create a new course. Please, if you've not registered on the platform yet, if you're not registered on Coursebay, you can watch the previous video to see how you can register on Coursebay. Please follow the steps in the previous video so that you can enjoy the free transaction fee once you make your first $150 on the platform, right, using my code DCC. Yes, watch that video. If not, you will not enjoy it. And let me even also remind you, if you do not use my code DCC, the transaction fee you're going to pay after your first, you're not going to get the $150. You start paying 15% transaction fee from the very beginning. If you want to enjoy the first free $150 and then 7.5% after, you want to use my code when registering. All right. So that's it, guys. In the next video, I am going to be explaining how to host your course on the platform. So watch out for that video. Bye.